3.
We bringing civics back.
Yeah.
Them pedo fuckers don't know how to act.
Ooh.
Them billionaires can take a huge step back.
Step back.
Cause we the people want a government back. We got reps on speed dial. We don't play. Justice is calling, rise up, have your say. Now vote for healthcare and a living wage. Or we primary your ass right up at that stage. We talking people power, that's the vibe.
The vibe.
No dirty APAC money in our tribe.
Nope.
Blood on your hands, you profit while they die. You work for us, not billionaires who buy.
buy.
Take it to the ballot, make it slap.
Make it slap.
Cause we the people got the power back.
That's a fact.
Civics daily, not just every fall.
Nah.
This ain't a game, it's a civic chore. We're bringing civics back. Hold Congress feet to the fire, that's the task. Ain't here to beg, we came to fucking act. You serve the people, not your super PACs. Trickle down.
What?
That scam is dead, we woke, we call your bluff. Your propagandists know you lost our trust. You bled us dry for years, we rise from the dust. Cap those rates, make credit fair.
Cap them.
Stop gouging prices everywhere. Stop that. Corporate kings, your reign is done. Stop paying taxes like everyone. Who runs this town?
We do.
Who sets that tone?
We do.
Who calls their reps every day on cue? Civics Club pulling through like
Woo!
This ain't red or blue, it's bottom versus top. Billionaires got bailouts, but our rent don't stop. We work 3 jobs while they buy more stocks. Time for people's policy, let's walk the walk. Faces one common ground. They use our differences to break us down, but love is our power, not fear or guns. We rise together, we are one. We're bringing civics back.
Hell yeah.
From City Hall to Congress, we take it back. It's time for people power to react. So let's
That's
blow up
right.
them phone lines back to back. We're bringing civics back. Strikes and boycotts working, that's a fact. You work for us, not Wall Street, Goldman Sachs. We'll shut it down, go on, clean up your act now. Whoa, the greed disease is real, y'all.
Whoa.
And people power is the only cure. Hey, we're bringing civics back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We united, bringing civics back. Teach it in the schools, bringing civics back. Call to action.
Call your reps.
Vote like a boss.
Call your reps.
Organize your block.
Call your reps.
Shut it down.
Call your reps.
Call your reps. This is our damn town. Whoa. Democracy ain't a spectator sport, y'all.
Whoa.
Hashtag bringing civics back.